Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most exciting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you a website that will help you make money online by reading scripts. This pays with PayPal, so make sure to watch the video until the end and earn more money. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. In this video, I will show you how to get money online by reading scripts, which is one of the most basic methods. What's the best way to go about it? We'll find out as soon as possible. This is how you may supplement your income by reading scripts. Furthermore, just a small number of viewers subscribe to my videos, so if you find this video helpful, try subscribing with notifications enabled. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later. As a result, if I discover a new and unique way to make money online, you'll be the first to know about it. As a result, earn as much money as possible. Make the most out of it. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make $100 to $1,000 by reading scripts online. You may be perplexed as to why you should watch this video. To begin with, the strategy I'll be teaching you today is absolutely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. As a result, you can accomplish this from all over the world. Second, you can start earning money as soon as you finish watching this video because I'll show you how to do it step by step. Finally, you'll discover how much money you can make and how easy it is to implement this technique. You're happy you saw this video because you wouldn't have missed out on this incredible opportunity if you hadn't. I'd like you to have a look at this before I show you how to accomplish it. This is how much money you could make by using this website. And I'm excited to tell you about it since merely reading scripts will earn you a lot of money. As you can see, you can earn up to $249 in 2 minutes of work and over $1,000 in 30 to 45 minutes. So stay tuned and watch till the end of the video because I'll show you exactly how it works. Also, don't skip any parts of this video if you don't want to miss out on important details. I'd like you to pay close attention and listen intently before we begin. Many people fail to make money because they use the wrong strategy. So if you pay attention and follow my directions, you will be able to earn money and perhaps double your money. So first and foremost, I recommend you to visit voices.com. When you initially visit a website, it looks like this. As you can see, some of the most well-known brands in the world employ these voices, including Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and many more. As a result, you can trust this website. This website pays people on a daily basis. You'll be paid via PayPal, check, or bank transfer as a consequence. You won't have to be concerned because you have other possibilities. Basically, you will have a lot of different categories and tasks to choose from on this website. In a minute, I'll also teach you the category you should choose to earn the most money. You can also pick from a number of different projects. They'll give you a script or template with all of the words you'll read once you've picked a project. All you have to do now is record your voice and they'll pay you based on the length of the project. It can be completed in as little as 2 minutes, as long as 15 minutes, or as long as 45 minutes. It depends entirely on the project. This website appeals to me because it offers us with an abundance of options. There are many different categories here and fresh job postings are updated every day. As a result, there's no need to be alarmed. You only need to commit less than 10 minutes per day to a project that requires 5 minutes of voiceover. It's as simple as that. You'll be able to earn money repeatedly. So if you have nothing to do at home or a lot of free time, you might make a lot of money performing voiceovers, whether they're brief or an hour long. You might be thinking, what if I don't have a microphone? I'm not sure how to go about doing this. A professional condenser microphone, on the other hand, is not required. You can use your phone's microphone or a microphone built into your headphones. As a result, you can do this using your Android or iOS device. The best part is that you don't even have to reveal your identity or show your face. They only need your voice for their projects. It is not necessary for you to write anything. You simply need to speak and read a script that will be provided to you. It's as simple as that. But really quickly, if you enjoyed this video, which I put a lot of time and effort into making, I'd really appreciate if you guys liked it and subscribed with notifications set on. And if this video receives 2,000 likes, I'll post a brand new video the following week showing you how to make even more money online by completing basic jobs like this from the comfort of your own home. Now, let's get back to the video. To get started, you must first establish a free voices.com account. To do so, move your cursor over and click the sign up button in the upper right hand corner. You'll be taken to this page where you'll be asked, what are you seeking for? You can either recruit talent for your projects or look for a job as a talent. You must obviously choose locate a job as a talent, and then be redirected to this website where you must provide your full name and email address, as well as to create a password. After consenting to the terms of service and privacy policy, simply click proceed. Though if you want to sign up quickly, you may simply utilize Google. After you sign up for a free account, this is what your dashboard will look like. You'll discover a wide range of industries to pick from here. Among the industries represented are advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit, publishing, technology, and video production. So I'll show you which category pays the most, which career is best for beginners, and which works in the majority of countries, including India, the Philippines, the United States, Indonesia, Nigeria, Malaysia, South Africa, Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and many more. The industries that will pay you the most money is now education, advertising, and most importantly, gaming. So since these are the three industries with the most employment openings, I'd like you to focus on education, advertising, and gaming. Simultaneously, they will pay you the greatest money for the least amount of time and effort you put in. So let's assume you decide to pursue a degree in education. As you can see, Voices.com employs a diverse range of voice performers, including both male and female voice actors. So those of you who are still watching this video come from all over the world and speak a variety of languages. So as you can see here in the left-hand corner, there is a language option, which I like to use. Many languages are offered, including English, Indonesian, Arabic, Portuguese, Spanish, French, Hindi, Filipino, and others. So there's no need to be concerned because there are numerous options. As a result, you have completed freedom to read whatever you choose and earn money doing so. If you want to make more money, look for jobs that last longer than 45 minutes. As a result, you can make more than $1,000 every time you finish a project. You can also visit this page to check what positions are available after you've signed up and set up your account. And you'll find a wide range of open positions here. They're also shelling out over $200. And as you can see, there are plenty of work opportunities here. Let me now show you a sample script for podcasting, which is one of the site's highest paying categories. As a result, they'll give you a script that looks like this one. So you can see the name of the customer, the age of the voice actor they're looking for, the gender, and the job description right here. So you can find all of the information here. In fact, if you scroll down, you can see what category it belongs to, what industry it belongs to, what style it belongs to, what language it requires, and how many words it requires. So here's a 60-second podcast intro script for you. Below are scripts for a 30-second and a 15-second podcast intro. So these are just illustrations of how things may appear if you were employed. Voices.com has a mobile app that you can get right away and install on your phone because it's available on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You can do it even if you're simply lying down or doing whatever you want. So now all you have to do is read a script that was provided to you. That's all there is to it. You'll be able to make money simply by reading scripts. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you get paid, by reading scripts. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.